Lenovo has teased the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022. It should have multiple colorways and a high-end OLED display. Lenovo started teasing this tablet. It should come in a variety of colors, and it's going to have a 120Hz AMOLED screen. The unibody is less than 7mm in depth. It has speakers tuned by JBL. This variant is aimed at those who might be inclined to go for entry-level iPad with updated design that comes in colors such as Green Plume, Amber and Smoky Haze. And its specs are, it's got a 2.5K panel in terms of 10-bit color, 1920Hz PWM dimming and TUV eye protection. It's going to be 11.2 inches diagonal, but we have no idea about the battery size. The processor is believed to be MediaTek 1300T and Snapdragon 870 platform. We will hopefully know the date and pricing soon, as it is going to be launched very soon. The teaser has started. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.